Hello and welcome to an analysis of Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT. Microsoft or its renowned product like Windows are names that we all know. Founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on 1975, Microsoft has since evolved into one of the world's most valuable companies. Microsoft is nowadays known for its operating system, Azure Cloud, LinkedIn, and Xbox. Business segments. Microsoft operates through mostly three segments: productivity and business processes, intelligent cloud, and personal computing. Productivity and business processes. This segment includes products and services designed for organizations and individuals, including the Office tools, Office Consumer, and LinkedIn. Then there's the Intelligent Cloud. That includes cloud products and services, including Microsoft Azure, SQL Server, Windows Server, GitHub, and enterprise services. And lastly, personal computing. This segment involves products and services geared towards the consumer market, such as Windows, Xbox, Surface, and search advertising. Noteworthy is that Microsoft owns a large part of OpenAI, which developed the AI ChatGPT. The key highlights is Azure Cloud, which has been growing fast and is one of the trendy businesses right now. Finances and history. Microsoft's revenues are diversified between revenue from businesses and consumers. Their revenues are roughly divided by business segments as follows. Productivity and business processes, or PBP, is 32%, intelligent cloud 42%, and personal computing 26%. Fastest growing of all of these are PBP and cloud. Revenue and EPS history has been outstanding. Revenue per share has grown every year for over a decade. EPS has had some misses but is always ticking up with the revenues. Returns on money has also been good over the years and has been going up. Microsoft also has no debt to speak of. EPS has grown around 35% for the past 5 years and sales has grown around 14%. Microsoft's margins has been improving, but the EPS growth is double than the sales, so they cannot continue forever. Based on history, Microsoft is a phenomenal company and definitely goes to the list of top 10 quality companies in the world. Based on history, I can't find anything risky except that EPS growth is based more on the margin growing rather than sales. Future estimates. I expect Microsoft's future to be bright. Microsoft has many businesses that are most likely needed in the future. Windows operating system isn't going anywhere. AI and cloud are going to be the future businesses that everybody needs and uses. Office tools are still needed by regular companies, and when you need to look for a job, LinkedIn is there to help. So let's start speculating growth numbers and see what the analysts think. I think we all know that Microsoft is going to grow, but just how much? I think the EPS growth has to come down to sales growth, so around low middle double-digit levels. Analysts are estimating about 16% with most growth in the short term and then easing down. Intrinsic value. So let's calculate the intrinsic value for Microsoft. Microsoft's forward EPS is 11.83. For the first 5 years, I would speculate conservative growth of 14% and after that around 11% for the next 5 years. Microsoft's PE ratio has been all over the place. Now it's trading high of around 37, which at least to me is on the expensive side. With my estimation of middle double-digit growth, I would estimate the PE to be around 28 to be conservative. It is hard to speculate what people are willing to pay for a good company. And my discount rate is 12%. With these numbers, we can calculate the intrinsic value for Microsoft, which would be around $437. Here you can also see the prices with the same growth estimations, but different expected returns. As of making this video with the speculated growth, return should be around 12%. To me, Microsoft is still on the buy/hold category, just because of a valuation risk. Microsoft is on a 37 PE ratio, and the growth is expected to be in the double digits for the next decade in order for you to get a good return. I do own the stock, but I bought it around $260, so it's easy for me to just sit and wait but not add more. And I do think that if you buy Microsoft and keep it for the next 10 years, you won't lose money. Also, if you are the kind of investor who needs to have some trendy businesses in your portfolio just because of fear of missing out, Microsoft should be at least one of them. What about you? Do you think Microsoft can grow double digits for the next decade? Are my growth estimations totally wrong? Just comment below, and while you're down there, just hit the sub button for more. And as always, please be careful with your hard-earned money. Do not lose it, and safe travels.